Hi, welcome to ETC channel. Remember to subscribe ETC channel. This is the bus stop to go to block 139. So basically they are from either the interchange from Tampines or from Pasir Ris or the airport for 34. And 39 is from Yishun. It's a stone throw away from this bus stop to the coffee shop. There are two options of walking. You can either walk up, cut through 101, or we can walk by this. Okay, now we are at the intersection. Why we chose this is because if we're gonna cut through block 101, we're gonna walk uphill, downhill. So I've just seen, although there's a ramp, but it's still a hassle, and so we chose this route where we can cross at this traffic junction. And this is the coffee shop that we are going to for our brunch. The road has been widened, so it's safer now.
Yes.
As compared to previously where it was narrow and congested. So
The coffee shop is just there.
right ahead is at the entrance of the car park to the Tampines Round Market. We are featuring this coffee shop today is because some of the food we felt is worthy to recommend and
Correct.
highlight.
So this one is the fish soup. This is how the coffee shop looks like. I think we should sit over there.
Okay. You want the toast set?
Yeah, I want.
给我一个toast set 蛋糕，还有多一杯蛋糕。啊，对，Yeah, see the lychee crumble.
Now I'm going to buy the plain prata. Plain prata. Hi, can I have two prata? Plain. Having here. Oh, that's the plain prata. You see, they're cooking it. Very nice. Alright, so I'm gonna order the laksa also. Yung toast. So what we order, right, is that we have the prata. We ordered plain. The prata here is nice. It's not so oily. And then I chose dal. And then we also bought laksa. The laksa here is very tasty. We tried before, so it's very nice. And then we also ordered the toast set. These are what we're gonna eat today for our breakfast. And we have Daisy. Hey, let's eat. And don't forget to subscribe to ETC channel.
We've chosen to buy this laksa here is because it's slightly cheaper than
How
other
much? 550.
kopi. In Tampines Mall, I think it was for $6 or something. Over here, it's only about 5. Is it?
Yeah, 550.
550, yeah. In Tampines Mall, over here it's 550. Over in Tampines Mall, I think it was like 6 or 650. I remembered.
Yeah, and it's
last
very
time I
nice, right?
Yeah, here the broth is much richer
It's thicker.
and tastier. Yeah.
We tried the other ones. It's watery, right?
Yeah, it's not that fantastic and it's a little bit more expensive.
Have you guys eaten here before? If you
Yeah.
have eaten here before, what food you can recommend?
Yeah.
This we tried this coffee shop. We ate at this coffee shop for quite some time, and I think these are the best ones. The wonton mee is also nice.
Yeah, not too bad. The last time Anthony ate,
Yes.
they love it. And the char siu was barbecued to perfection.
Okay, let's eat.
Always remember that never to use non-halal utensils to eat halal food. So we always have halal utensils for halal food and non-halal for
Yes.
halal utensils.
Okay, I want to try this first.
There's an egg here.
This one I like. How do you eat yours? Yummy.
See, there's lots of ingredients over here at the Laksa. I remember the one at Tampines Mall, I think it's lesser by one piece and then it's more expensive. Although, yeah, it sounds fatty, but if you buy too many bowls, it really tells about the difference. That's it.
Let me taste
The brown.
broth.
It's very nice.
But for those who cannot take spicy food, then I don't think this is suitable because it's a bit spicy.
But Akong, who cannot take spicy, he can take this. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it should be okay. It's slightly on the spicy side, but it's really shiok. Like you can't stop.
Really nice.
It's like one spoon after another.
She taught me how to eat this. Last time I ate it separately, but now you can soak it and then you can eat it like this.
Yeah.
And I realized the prata here, it's not oily
Yeah.
compared to other shops.
And still have the crispiness.
Yeah. And they have different varieties of what do they call this?
Yeah, the curry.
The curry. Yeah.
So you have chicken curry, fish curry, or the dal.
Okay. I'm done with my bread and toast. My toast and egg. Now I'll try the laksa.
It's so good that I'm still concentrating on this.
Guys, if you want us to try other coffee shops, you can comment or suggest which is the next one that we can try.
And I guess this coffee shop is not very crowded, so the ambience is just nice.
We arrive at around 11:30 and we still managed to get seats. Or is
Yep.
it because it's just weekend?
Weekend normally should be more crowded, right? Because I guess all the fame and the crowds would be to Tampines Round Market,
Yeah.
so everyone tends to overlook this coffee shop, which has a lot
But
of
there's
hidden
another
gems.
coffee shop over there, right?
Over the other coffee shop has dim sum. Yeah.
And wonton noodle.
Also wonton noodles. But I think they're famous for their kway chap also.
Oh. Previously, if you watch our other video, we went to the round market.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, that at that time, we ordered the same food.
Yeah.
We
So
just
there wasn't much variety and
Yeah.
the video was that boring.
See, they give you tofu also, fish ball, and then bean curd. But they didn't provide cockles.
No, this one is Yong Tau Foo.
Oh.
So there's no crockles. Cockles is more like the local kind of laksa. This is Yong Tau Fu laksa.
No, previously I also tried their fish soup. Also good.
Word of caution, the coffee shop that sells the tea and coffee, the ladies can be kind of a little bit rude, but they don't mean anything. Yeah. They just want to get your orders quickly
Yeah.
so that they can deliver their work. Yeah.
No, but if you can order from the auntie, the one roaming around.
Well, that was only maybe later part in the night.
So far, the best laksa that I've tasted was in, is it Queenstown? That's the place where there's a lot of stores selling shoes,
Queensway,
like soccer shoes.
yep.
And then
Queensway Shopping Center.
other sport shoes.
Yeah.
lah.
So opposite, is it?
Yeah, you need to cross the street.
ABC. It's called the ABC Hawker Center.
I don't know if it's still there, but the store last time was just below the escalator. Yeah.
Oh, in the shopping mall itself.
Yeah. Correct.
I
the
see.
old shopping.
So it's not the hawker center.
But they say the Katong one is nice. I don't know if I tried before, but I went to Katong before.
We can try that. That's one of my childhood place. To me, I feel it's okay. I won't purposely travel to go there, but if I'm there, then yeah, I don't mind.
Okay,
buying
we
it.
did one video in Jalan Basa.
Mm.
They said that that's the best laksa place, but when I tasted the laksa, it was just normal. I
It was
still
all
prefer the Queensway or this.
And it's very small bowl, right? The one at Jalan Besar.
But I guess reason why it's not so crowded here, it's because rather going here, right, they would go to the round market because there's more variety.
Maybe, yeah.
And I feel that the shops
And
over
also the
there,
popularity, because people heard of Tampines Round Market, but they don't hear about this coffee shop, which is just outside.
and when we went there, I felt that the shops are more old school, so
Yeah.
it feels like it's more authentic.
But this is nice. It's very tasty. Look, we
Yeah.
are finishing the broth also.
Right. So now, for the last one, this is the Prata, plain Prata. When you eat Prata, do you use hands or do you use utensils?
When I'm outside, I use utensils. When I'm at home, I'll use my hands.
But the is it tekao?
Take out.
Oh, now it's nice. I forgot to say.
Look, guys, we have almost finished the broth.
We only took 2 pratas. Just, we think we're gonna be full after this, after eating the laksa. This is my last piece of prata. Yummy.
Because this is from the halal store. We have used the halal utensils.
Done. Very nice.
See, it's not oily,
Yeah.
but yet fragrant. And it's easy
But
to
it's cold
tear.
already.
It's cold, but then you see, it's still easy to tear. Some, it's like so cold already, right? Then it's so difficult to tear it because it's like very rubbery. If you have time, do give a try in this coffee shop. It's worth the while. The food is good and there's variety. Alright, so
Alright.
hope you enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to
Subscribe
ETC channel.
ETC channel.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
See you.
For the ending.